Hey everybody, welcome back to another Classics or Better. I'm Travis, and today I got a real treat for you. My buddy Carl's 1970 C10. All right, y'all, so it's a beautiful day, and the plans, we're going to take Carl's sweet, short wheelbase 70 C10 here on a little cruise out through the boonies, find us a cool place to take a look at it, and share with you all the neat backstory of how we actually got this thing. All right, everybody, so check out Carl. Hey Carl,
what's up?
And his awesome 1970 C10. Nice inline six, but it is scooting down the road. Anything back here? Surprise brake. Let's see this adventure. All right, y'all, so my buddy says he might know where there's some cool old classics we can check out, so let's take a little looky-loo. This was a classic car dealership like 10 years ago. Closed the doors and everything's just gathering dust inside. But check this out, if I can get you in here. Surviving real GT350. Fastback. Amazing car. So supposedly this dude just stopped shop or whatnot, but he still pays rent, so the guy lets him keep all these cool cars in here. I don't know if you guys can totally see in here or not, but there is multiple Mustangs, Corvette Pace Cars, 69 Mustang Mach 1, 69 Camaro. Just amazing. So we're gonna try and find the owner of this place and see if we can come talk to him sometime, because you can just see all the dust. No one's been in here forever. Wow, cool find. Super cool find. Good job, Carl. That's neat. Okay guys, so the cool story on this thing is that my buddy Carl picked this up for $500. And like you said, he had to do a little bit of stuff to the motor, but we just went for a cruise in it and it is great. Him and one of his buddies went and picked it up outside of Hot Springs, did an overnight trip. It was one of those, if you want it, come get it now. Somebody doing some land development, just selling off of you know, Grandpappy's farm or whatnot, but said it was all buried, all the tires were flat, and they had to winch it up on a trailer. But come home, a little spit shine, and this thing is cool. All right, y'all, so here is the beast of a power plant. We got a nice little inline six, pretty much all original. He did plugs, wires, coil, but everything else is original in here. Still has the factory markings, which is pretty rad. And even the original carb. And what's amazing is all this came back after being sitting in a field for 15 years. So far as the inside, it's got a new leather bench and nice dash pad all matching. So the brown really goes great with the green. Super cool.
Spots like cab corners,
yeah,
are solid.
Wow, that is amazing. So as he was telling me, guys, so the cab corners, all the rockers here, everything is solid, which is a miracle for a truck that was just left out in a field, and for any of these old trucks, they just get beat up. So only rust was under the battery tray and some of the tailgate, which is easy peasy to fix. So this thing is a survivor, my friends. Super cool. And the worst part is he won't let me buy it from him. I'm trying, guys. I am trying. I offered him 3 times what he paid for it. He just laughed me off, so we'll just have to follow his build with it. Hey y'all, thanks for watching another Classics or Better and checking out my buddy Carl's sweet 70 C10. As always, I greatly appreciate it. Check back in soon and we'll keep up with Carl, and I'll bring back developments on this truck as they happen. But get out there, get wrenching. Take it easy, guys.